Hey guys, it's me, Prince's dad, and Prince couldn't be with me right now, but I just want to show you guys the excavator. It's the big orange excavator. Check it out. It's got tracks. There's the cab and the boom and the big bucket. Yeah. And then there's more excavators. There's a big yellow cat one. Okay. We're coming up to the big cat one. Look at that. It's a great big giant caterpillar. It's got big tracks. And a cab up here. Whoa. 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 Look at that. Isn't that awesome? What? Look at the bucket. Oh no. Look at me, I'm in the bucket! Oh no! Look at the teeth on this thing. What? Wow. Okay. I don't even know what this big thing over here is. I know there's a roller, and it looks like a bulldozer, and another bulldozer, and another excavator. What do we got here? What have we got? Okay. There's a bulldozer. Look at that thing. What? Look at that. Is this crazy or what? Look at this. Okay. Oh goodness, what is that? The bulldozer's got some kind of teeth on it. That's crazy. Wow, it's a little baby bulldozer. Let's go see what this is. It's a roller with a blade on the front. There's a roller. Wow. It's a roller with a blade on the front. How big are those tires, huh? Wow. 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 Look at this truck. Look at this truck. This is crazy. Okay. Look at me. I'm standing under the truck. Is this crazy or what? What? Look at this thing. Wow. Wow. Look at these tires. Wow. Okay, I guess you get on steps and you go up the steps into the cab, into smokestack. Big tires. It's a big cab up there. What? Look at this big truck. Oh my goodness. What? This is crazy. Okay. I guess it's like a big dump truck maybe. And then there's the roller. Smokestack, look at that. There's a roller. And there's a bulldozer. It's a bulldozer. It's a bulldozer. It's a bulldozer. How do you get on the bulldozer? I don't know. What? What? We're on the bulldozer. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that was crazy. Bulldozer. Okay. And here's the baby bulldozer. It's a baby. It's the baby bulldozer. What? You sit up there and steer it, I guess. Look at the tracks. Okay. And then there's the big blade in the front. It's the blade. What? All right, Caterpillar. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. All right, that's the front of this thing. What? What? All right. Look at this one. It's color orange. Hitachi excavator, very big. Look at this thing. Very nice. Look at this, what? Look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Look at this. Looky here. And you sit in there and there's your controls. What? What? Very nice. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. All right. There's the excavator. Yeah. Well, that's all the vehicles for now. Check back in with me tomorrow. Have a good one, guys.